Halsey for that moving in memoriam performance. The actors in this next category are amazingly unique and original artists, but what they all share is their vast talent and their ability to create truly unforgettable characters. Here are the nominees for lead actor in a drama series. Milo Ventimiglia, This Is Us. Jason Bateman, Ozark. Bob Odenkirk, Better Call Saul. Kit Harington, Game of Thrones. Sterling K. Brown, This Is Us. Billy Porter, Pose. And once again, we witness history unfold. The Emmy goes to Billy Porter.
They will be kicking up their kinky boots in Pittsburgh tonight for hometown hero. And apologies to whoever's sitting right behind them to the left.
I gotta breathe. Oh my God, God bless you all. The category is love, y'all, love. I am so overwhelmed and I am so overjoyed to have lived long enough to see this day. James Baldwin said, took many years of vomiting up all the filth that I had been taught about myself and halfway believed before I could walk around this earth like I had the right to be here. I have the right, you have the right, we all have the right. There were so many people who helped me get here along the way, so I'm going to just say thank you. Thank you, first of all, to the other exquisitely talented men in my category. I love you all so much. It is such an honor to be up here breathing the same air that y'all breathe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My mama, Clorinda, there's no stronger, more resilient woman who has graced this earth. I love you, Mommy. Much love to the Actors Fund Nursing Home. My sister, Eminem, my husband, Adam Porter Smith, Susie Deeds and Lenny Beard, Bill Butler, my manager of 29 years. 29 years, you helped me believe in myself when I couldn't believe. FX, all the people at FX, my Slate PR family, Alexa Fogel, my Pose cast, everybody in my Pose cast, Ryan Murphy, you saw me, you believed in us. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We are the people, we as artists are the people that get to change the molecular structure of the hearts and minds of the people who live on this planet. Please don't ever stop doing that. Please don't ever stop telling the truth. I love you all. They're telling me to please stop. God bless you. God bless you. If I forgot anybody,